Wake up, everyone! It's time for the greatest harvest this farm has ever seen!
Breaking news, everyone! The festival is almost here! Get ready for adventure, teamwork, and lots of fun problem solving! I just adore the decorations and the lovely music. It is so wonderful to see all of our friends gathered here. It's the brightest morning, time to start the fun. We'll work together till the day is done. All right, team. If we stick to the plan right here, we should reach the Whispering Falls by sundown. Let's move! All right, everyone, listen closely. For the festival to be perfect, we need to divide into our teams. The decorations team is with me. If we follow the trail just past the Whispering Woods, we should reach the Crystal Cave by sunset.
A clear plan is essential for a smooth harvest and a great festival. It's all about collaborative adventure and teamwork. With a little teamwork and a lot of heart, this festival won't just be good, it'll be the happiest day ever. All right, team, this is it. If we stick to the plan, we can solve anything.
I'm so excited to be your host, your singer, and your announcer for the festival. Let's have some fun! Breaking news! I'm triple tasking! And now for the morning update. The sun is shining, the farmer's coming, and it's gonna be a great day down on the farm.
Oink! Ha! I'll handle the snacks.
With food like this, we can tackle any adventure together.
These flowers by the main stage now!
Almost there!
Hey, this rope is delicious!
Attention all barnyard buddies! The festival gates are officially open! Hear ye! Hear ye! The festival of the year is nigh! Together we stand, united we fly. The greatest adventure is nigh. disappearing mysteriously. A sweet-tooth bandit is on the loose.
Machinery synchronized. Team assembled. Looks like it's time to get our paws dirty.
Together, the show's finally here. Hooray for the farmer, let's give him a cheer. The wind is blowing everything away! We have to do something! We forgot to secure the banner ropes! They're not tied down properly! Breaking news! Festival becomes flying carnival! Danger in the sky!
Everyone, hold the decorations! We can save it! Teamwork, now!
All right, team, secure the perimeter. MooMoo, pull harder on that banner. Porky, don't let those balloons get away.
I've got the flower garlands.
pies. Teamwork, everyone. That was an unexpected adventure, but we faced it head on. See, I told you the organization would pay off.
You were right, Lulu. Best harvest yet. We did it! The biggest pumpkin the farm has ever seen.
Breaking news! It's celebration time! The greatest harvest festival ever!
We are the very best team in the whole wide world!
Here are your pies and milk, everyone! Great job today!
Team!
Couldn't have done it without everyone!
Hooray for us!
When we work hard and work together, every harvest becomes a reason to celebrate. Every challenge we face together only makes our bonds stronger.
We did it! We won!
Yeah, great job, everyone.
This is what I call teamwork. We make a great team, Ben. The best!
Work hard, share joy, and help one another. That's the true spirit of the farm. That's the secret to every adventure, big or small, that we face together.
Look, friends, the sun is setting on another great day. Who's ready for whatever tomorrow brings?